Hi, I'm Scholz, President of Your Students Association, and welcome back to Teviot, the oldest purpose-built student union building in the world, and our latest update on its refurbishment.
And I'm Lucy Evans, Associate Principal and Deputy Secretary for Students at the University of Edinburgh. I'm delighted to be back here with Ash to share some exciting news. We're pleased to let you know that after 2 years of refurbishment, the main contractors have completed their work.
That's right. This means Your Students Association's teams are now busily remobilizing the building. That means putting together the final touches such as moving the furniture, installing the new kitchen fittings and technical equipment, and testing it to make sure it's all ready for you when you move back in. And I'm thrilled to say on that note that this is planned for early March. The energy is growing and it's looking amazing. Soon these refreshed spaces will be full of life and Teviot will once again be the social hub for all students and staff and visitors.
Let's go inside! Improving accessibility has been a major focus of the refurbishment. The new ramp at the front of Teviot is now in place, making the building more accessible and welcoming to everyone. A newly commissioned lift has also been installed, opening up areas that were previously inaccessible, including the mezzanine near the games room. We're standing in the lounge on the second floor. We're still waiting for all the equipment to be installed, but the new heat and eat space is looking great.
We know students make good use of our heat and eat spaces, so this is a welcome addition and continues Teviot's tradition of being a place where students come together.
Let's explore some more.
We're now in the library bar that's absolutely steeped in character and history. Added as part of the building's 1905 extension, the library bar was originally a study space, but a wildly popular one. Nearly 28,000 books were borrowed in the first year of opening. And in the 1970s, the books were all removed and the space became a bar. And I'm so looking forward to seeing it once it's opened. We're now in what was the old sports bar and underground nightclub. It's directly accessible from the new Charles Street Lane entrance through the impressive glass doorway.
This is going to be a great place to use any time of the day, whether that's for a morning coffee, catch up over lunch, watching sport with teammates, or hanging out with friends and listening to live music late into the night.
One alumna from the late 90s recalled meeting lifelong friends here during Freshers Week, dancing to the Spice Girls, and even watching Scotland play Brazil in the 1998 World Cup. It's great that history will be repeating itself soon on that front as well.
March will be here before we know it, and we're looking forward to seeing students, staff, alumni and visitors enjoying these spaces once again.
Keep an eye on the Student Association's social media channels, as we'll be sharing further updates and opportunities for a few lucky followers to join in a sneak peek tour before the official opening.
And for our wider community of students, past and present, and staff, look out for updates on our university and alumni channels too. There'll be lots of ways to get involved with reopening celebrations this year.
Thank you so much for joining us for this tour.